Just expect you to turn it on if you need to chime in.
Sounds good.
All right, so push the right buttons. Just check and make sure getting the live stream on. Looks like it's working. All right. Okay, let's get started. This is docket 4910 WR101, the application of the Village of Radisson for authority to adjust water rates. This is Mike Newmark, the Administrative Law Judge for the PSC. We are on Zoom with the utility, its consultant, and commission staff in attendance. We've made the connection available to members of the public through our notice of hearing. We're also live streaming the hearing on our YouTube channel, and there'll be a recording of the hearing on that same place, YouTube PSC hearings. What we're doing here today is creating the record in the case. That'll be the documents we identify as exhibits, and we need to verify those under oath. We'll also take comments from the utility, commission staff, and members of the public if they do attend before we adjourn. And we're taking public comments in writing as well. Those comments are due Thursday, November 21st. They can either be filed on the commission's website or mailed to us. Right now, we have 2 comments on file. We have 3 comments. Technically, one's a duplicate, so 2 comments we'll accept for the record. And like I said, we'll continue to accept them until Thursday, November 21st. So we do with the record is we provide it to the decision maker in the case. I don't know why my brain is going faster than my mouth here. We will provide the record to the decision maker in the case. And at this time, that's Andy Galvin, the administrator of the Division of Water Utility Regulation and Analysis. So the administrator will review the record and make a decision, and then a written order will be issued. It'll be emailed to the utility and posted on the commission's website. So that's our basics, what we're here to do. Usually we take the utility first and have them verify their documents. So what I do have that email that Alex Hanna of commission staff had sent to everyone. I'm going to display that on the screen. It's a pretty big list, so it might be difficult to read, but I'm going to try to just focus on the utility documents first. So we got 42 documents altogether, and first one being the customer notice. And I think the rest of the documents appear to be more technical documents. So let's get the notice verified first. So who do we have in attendance that can verify that notice to customers? Who's involved in sending that out?
That was me. I sent out that notice to the customers.
Okay. So first, let me swear you in. Just going to need you to verify that under oath. So raise your right hand. Swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
I do.
All right. Just give us your name and title.
Stephen Jagalo, treasurer.
All right. So I don't know if you can see that screen share. Can you see
Yes.
what's being displayed? Okay. So the first one is the public notice. Are you familiar with that document?
Yes.
Is it complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, it is.
So the other documents more technical. Either you can verify those if you're familiar with them, or your consultant can do that. What do you think? Which way do you want to go? It's up to you guys.
I'm not super familiar with them. Brandon might know a little bit more on them. Otherwise, the president is here as well.
Okay. So I'll ask the Brandon then Williger if you can turn your screen on. We'll have you verify those. Before I let you go, Stephen, I just wanted to ask you if you had any comments you'd like to add about the case.
Not at this time, no.
Okay. All right. So let's take Brandon next. Raise your right hand. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
I do.
All right. State your name and title, please.
Brandon Wilger, contracted accountant with Two Rivers Accounting.
All right. So can you see the screen share?
Yes.
All right. So for the documents 2 through 42, are you familiar with those?
Yes.
Are they complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
All right. Did you have any comments?
I do not.
Okay. All right. So anyone else wish to speak on behalf of the utility? It sounded like we had a couple more people over in the Radisson location. So just let me know if you wanted to add something.
No, I think we're good.
Okay. All right. No problems. I'll move on to commission staff and I'm going to shorten up the screen view here. So commission staff, we have the revenue requirement exhibits. I believe that's Chris Borchardt for that one. So raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right. And can you confirm that the revenue requirement exhibit is complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, yes.
All right, great. Did you have any comments?
I have two comments to make.
Okay.
First comment in the revenue requirement letter, I asked the applicant to make the adjustment in the revised 2023 PSDN report. The applicant made all the necessary adjustment in the revised 2023 PSDN report. The second comment I want to make, the applicant planned to pass a new pilot resolution and to set the pilot at 0 at the next meeting on the first Monday in December. The applicant planned to upload a new pilot resolution from the village meeting.
Okay. So did we get any confirmation that will be, so that's a commitment from the utility. They will upload that by after the December 1st meeting? Is that something you could comment on, Stephen? Sorry, I got your name spelled wrong here.
I believe it's gonna be the December 9th meeting.
Okay. But you'll upload that resolution if and when it's approved.
Yes, correct.
Okay, great. Thanks. All right. Anything else, Chris?
I don't have any other comment.
All right, thanks. All right, we'll move on to cost service study and rate design. Alex Hanna, do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
Can you confirm that the cost service study and rate design exhibit is complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, it is.
Do you have any comments?
I have no comments at this time.
All right. So like you see in the screen share, there's also the seniors of Radisson and the Catherine A. Marucci comment that we'll have received those in the record. We're not going to take the duplicate. It's just going to sit on Earth, but it won't be part of the record. But that's all we have at this point. There's no other people in attendance on Zoom, so no members of the public to collect comments from. I'll stop the screen share now. Just ask if there's anything else we need to discuss before we adjourn. No? All right. Thanks very much, everyone. We're adjourned. Take care.